just accepting that the past is past and that you have to move on from it and continue living. So,
Forgive yourself.
but, yeah, not easy. That really helped me get there.
Do you feel like you can move on now?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It's definitely time, I think. Yeah.
Oh, it's just so emotional. I don't know. It's just so beautiful.
She's gone.
I think that says everything, really. It's just like, it's such a beautiful time. I really opened myself up and let go of a lot of things that I wanted to let go of. Freed my heart. A lot of connection.
Yes, beautiful.
It was just so beautiful. I am a sacred warrior.
Yes! Sacred warrior!
Amazing, so incredible. Literally, if you want to open your heart and feel liberated and feel amazing and just bring up so many crazy emotions and let go of what you want to let go of and embrace what you want to feel and powerful, do it. Literally come and dance and feel amazing and give all your love and your passions and set your soul free. Do it. Do it. Yes. Yes.
I realised so much about myself and who I am and what I need to go and what path I need to go in. I had to fucking be kind to myself. I had to fucking scream when I had to scream. I had to cry when I had to cry. And I had to be the sacred warrior because that's who I am and that's who I need to be. Yes. It was amazing. It was amazing. I didn't expect to cry as much as I did, and I let out what I needed to let out. And when I go back to the real world, this is what I'm going to remember. This is what I'm going to remember right here, right now. I am a sacred motherfucking warrior! Yes! It was amazing. It was amazing.